Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to find the factors of 378 using prime factorization method. In prime factorization method, we divide numbers using prime numbers and find their prime factors. Prime numbers are numbers which are only divisible by number 1 and the number itself. Prime factor will be the number which divides this number fully without leaving a remainder. So let's divide 378 by prime numbers. As 378 is an even number, it is fully divisible by prime number 2. 2 times 1 is 2, 1 is remainder. This becomes 17. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 is remainder. This becomes 18. 2 times 9 is 18. Now 189 is an odd number and it is not fully divisible by 2. We'll use the next prime number 3 to divide 189. 3 times 6 is 18 and 3 times 3 is 9. Again we can use 3 to divide 63. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21 and 7 is a prime number. It is only divisible by 7. 7 times 1 is 7. So now we got the factors of 378. All the numbers which are on the left hand side of the ladder are the factors of 378. So the factors of 378 are 2 times, 3 times, 3 times, 3 times 7. These are all the factors of 378. So this is how we find the prime factors of any number using prime factorization. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.